Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you another airdrop opportunity, and essentially we're gonna talk about TAHO wallet. So if you don't know yet, TAHO is another competitor to MetaMask, so it might be quite useful to use this just in case they're gonna airdrop some tokens in the future. So on their website, you can see this form where you can register and get on a waitlist. It was recently open for some time, and now it's closed again. I definitely recommend you to stay up to date and wait for the waitlist to open again. And quickly on the website, you can see they mentioned TAHO token a couple times. So if you get on the waitlist, you will see that you have TAHO tokens in your wallet, so you can stake them. So I'm gonna show you in a second. First of all, you need to do, you'll need to go to your Chrome App Store, and then you'll need to install this wallet. It's very easy, exactly like MetaMask. You'll need to save your seed phrase and then log into your wallet. So now once you get your wallet installed, you'll need to deposit some funds to it. So exactly how we do on MetaMask, this is the same exact scenario how we do it on TAHO. So I sent from Arbitrum to Arbitrum on TAHO wallet. You can do it exactly the same step on mainnet, on Optimism, and different networks. So you're not going to have access to this dashboard unless you are on the waitlist. So definitely recommend you to just try get on this, because it might be the only way to get the airdrop. There's only 30,000 people participating in these realms. I think the risk reward ratio is great because not a lot of people know about this. If you're going to compare it to the most hype airdrops at the moment. So right now you have the choice of 5 different realms like Arbitrum, Gitcoin, CyberConnect, Frax, and Galxe. You can see that each of these realms have different number of population. So the Frax have 1000. Each of these realms have equal value of XP, and different population earn the same amount of XP. But if there's more people in the same realm, the XP is diluted across all of these different members. So it's the best to choose realms with least user. So if you have already like Frax, so if we click on Frax, you can see the only way how you can accumulate more points is to claim bribes on Vote Market. But I know how to do it on Gitcoin. So on Gitcoin, you basically spend gas on PGN, which is the public goods network. The more gas you spend, the better for you, the more XP you're gonna earn. For the Arbitrum, to earn the XP, you will need to execute individual transactions on Arbitrum. But you'll see that if you hover over Arbitrum, there's almost 10,000 people participating in this realm, so it might be even harder. But if you hover over Galxe, you can see there's a 14,000 participant, where it's going to be incredibly hard to earn some decent XP points. So now once you got the access to the website, you'll need to click on your realm. So I'm gonna select Gitcoin, and then you'll need to click on Quest and then stake to join realm. So now you want to select the balance. So I'm just gonna use the maximum balance that I've got and click stake TAHO. So then you will need to approve it, and now your TAHO wallet is going to pop up. So you will need to approve it and sign the transaction. So once that's done, you are now citizen of Gitcoin. So go to your realm. So now we staked our tokens and we are citizen of the Gitcoin realm. So what we want to do next is to basically do the weekly quest, where we want to spend gas on PGN, which is the public goods network. So the more we spend, the more XP we're gonna earn at the end of the next week. So each week the guardians, they're gonna airdrop some XP points. So what you want to do next is you want to go to chainlist.org. You wanna type PGN, which is the public goods network, and after that you wanna click on your TAHO extension, and you want to toggle this icon towards TAHO wallet. Once you click on that, then click on connect your wallet. So your TAHO wallet is going to pop up, and then connect it. Once that's done, click add network to your wallet, and that's done. So now the next step is you want to bridge some funds over to PGN. So it really depends where you have your funds. So if you have some Ethereum on ETH mainnet, you can use the official PGN Bridge. But if you have your funds on Arbitrum or Optimism, like in my case, you can use Layerswap. We're gonna send funds from Arbitrum 1 and to PGN, so just search for it. And I'm gonna send very little amount just for purpose of this video. So I'm gonna send 0.01, and then I will go to my wallet, copy my address, and then paste this address down there. Now once that's done, you wanna click on swap now, then connect your wallet, click on MetaMask, and instead of MetaMask, your TAHO wallet is going to pop up. So now click on connect, and then send from wallet. Again, your wallet is gonna pop up, and then you want to click on sign. Now as you can see, our transfer is completed. So if you click on our extension, you'll need to click on this arrow and switch from Arbitrum from Ethereum to PGN. So now you can see I have $17 in this wallet. So next you want to go to Zora and you want to start minting some NFT. If you know how to deploy contracts on different services, you can do that as well. Everything what burns you what burns you gas is going to qualify you to get more XP. So you can do anything what you really want. So now I'm gonna just click on one of these NFTs and I'm gonna mint it. So I will click on this one and click on mint. So you'll see that this NFT is free and you only will need to pay the mint fee to Zora. Now click on the sign button and you'll see that the amount that you're gonna pay is $1.50. So now that's done, I'm gonna click on the another one and mint this one, for example, another $1.50. So next up, what you can do to get qualified for TAHO Airdrop as well is you can make some swaps in your wallet. Select the Arbitrum or Ethereum where you have your funds, and then select the token that you want to swap to. So I'm just going to select USDC, click on the swap button. Once it's done, you can swap it from USDC to USDT. Select the maximum balance and then approve the asset, and then click on the swap button and sign the transaction. Additionally, if you want to promote the campaign, you can go over to Galxe and you can complete this quest and earn some oats. Also, you can go ahead to Guild XYZ and you can join the Discord and claim some roles. So that's pretty much it for the video. And if you enjoyed this content, you can let me know in a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.